The question is 100 divided by, in the bracket, 4 plus 6, bracket close, plus bracket 15 minus 5, bracket close, multiplied by 2. According to... Put the pen down. P for parentheses, E for exponential, M for multiplication, B for division, A for addition, dash for subtraction. First of all, as we were saying, the one we will solve, India, Bangalore, we know that multiplication and division have the same priority, and addition and subtraction have the same priority. So now the solution... Now, 100 divided, first we'll solve by 35. So 4 plus 6, that becomes 10, plus 15 minus 5, multiplied by 2. That's what will happen. Now let's solve further. 100 divided by 10 plus 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5. What will that be? Time? 822. Now let's solve further. 100 divided by 10 plus 100 multiplied by 2. Here, we'll give the first priority to division and the second priority to multiplication. Now, 100 divided by 10 plus 100 times 10 times 2. 100 will be canceled by 10. 10 times now, 10 plus 10 times 2. Let's demonstrate. 10 plus 10 times 2. 10 times 10 plus 20 equals 230. This is the answer.